Imagine a mission-critical fighter jet streaking through the sky at supersonic speeds, only to be held back by a simple, inevitable truth: fuel is running low. Far from the base, the pilot's options narrow. But then, appearing like a guardian angel through the clouds, comes the KC-135 Stratotanker. This legendary aerial refueling aircraft, a true lifeline of modern warfare, has been the backbone of the U.S. Air Force since its introduction in 1957. Picture this: the KC-135, cruising at 30,000 feet, matches speeds with a fighter jet mid-air. A boom operator in the belly of the tanker skillfully guides a refueling boom into position. With precision and mastery, fuel flows from tanker to jet, keeping the mission alive. The Stratotanker's value goes far beyond refueling. It can extend the range of bombers, fighters, and transport aircraft, ensuring military operations remain effective across vast distances. Its versatility shines in humanitarian missions, to ferrying relief supplies and personnel to crisis zones. Despite being a mid-century marvel, the KC-135 remains vital today thanks to countless upgrades. Advanced avionics, enhanced engines, and structural reinforcements keep this tanker mission ready, decade after decade. But it's not just the hardware. It's the heart, the crews who operate the KC-135 with unrivaled dedication, often flying into perilous conditions to refuel aircraft on the front lines. Think of the KC-135 as a silent hero, seldom in the spotlight yet indispensable in shaping the course of missions worldwide. With over 6 decades of service, it's not just an aircraft. It's a testament to resilience and ingenuity in the skies.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.